Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping, a lucrative online business model that has the potential to turn your dreams of financial independence into reality. I'll guide you through the ins and outs of dropshipping and share actionable tips on how to succeed in this dynamic industry. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First things first, let's demystify dropshipping. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means you can start an online store without ever having to deal with inventory or shipping logistics. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy to set up your own dropshipping store. You can choose products from suppliers around the world and list them for sale on your website. With the right strategies and execution, dropshipping can be a highly profitable venture. Now that you understand the basics of dropshipping, let's talk about choosing profitable niches. A niche is a specific segment of the market that caters to a particular audience. To succeed in dropshipping, it's essential to identify niches with high demand and low competition. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is finding reliable suppliers. Your suppliers play a crucial role in the success of your dropshipping business, as they're responsible for fulfilling orders and delivering products to your customers. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu are popular choices for finding dropshipping suppliers. When evaluating suppliers, consider factors such as product quality, shipping times, and customer service. Building strong relationships with trustworthy suppliers is key to ensuring smooth operations and maintaining customer satisfaction. With your niche selected and suppliers secured, it's time to optimize your online store for maximum conversions. Your website is the face of your brand and the primary touchpoint for potential customers, so it's crucial to make a great first impression. Focus on creating a user-friendly interface, optimizing product pages for search engines, and implementing persuasive copywriting and imagery. Leverage tools like Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and make data-driven improvements to your store. Last but not least, let's talk about marketing your store effectively. In the crowded landscape of e-commerce, strategic marketing is essential for standing out and driving traffic to your website. Utilize a mix of digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization to reach your target audience. Experiment with different tactics, track your results, and double down on what works best for your business. And there you have it, your crash course in dropshipping. By understanding the fundamentals, choosing the right niche, finding reliable suppliers, optimizing your online store, and marketing effectively, you can pave the way for success in the world of dropshipping. Remember, building a profitable dropshipping business takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your entrepreneurial goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.